What is up, family? I am so excited. We're on this call. Drop some fireballs in the chat if you are excited. I know you guys won't be able to see it because it's coming just directly to me. So it's going to be lit. Grab your pen, grab your paper, grab your snacks, grab your friends, your auntie, your uncles, grandpas, grandmas, and your nieces, your nephews, anybody and everybody who could be profitable in this business. Grab them, because this is about to change so many lives, and I really hope it's coming across the camera. But I'm gonna get hyped. I'm gonna get lit. I'm gonna try to keep this as short as possible. But I love to talk. I love to present to things. I like to present this opportunity to as many people as possible. I'm getting texts left and right now. I got this phone. I got this. It's a two-phone situation. I just want everybody to be excited. I'm going to throw some music on right quick, and we're going to get started in just a bit. I just want to get everybody a little time to roll in, come through. Don't mind my background. I got stuff going on. So I'm excited. I'm going to pause my face, and I'm going to get ready, and we're going to get ready. We're going to get into this. So please, again, drop where your location is. Drop some fireballs. Drop some bombs. Drop anything and everything, and get everybody on this call. Also, this call will be recorded. It's being recorded, actually, and it will be posted on YouTube. So there is some information that I will have to disclose, not be able to disclose. So just understand that. That should get you more pumped about being a part of the opportunity. Hopefully, it's gonna be lit. So let me throw this music on. I'm excited. Yes, drop those fireballs. Woo! We on some chill vibes, family. All right. Let me pause this. Hold on. The jams are jamming. All right, let me put my face back on the camera. Hey, y'all. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Yes. All right, if you can't see the chat, don't worry. It's simply because I have a person coming to me. So therefore, I want to be the ones to be able to see them. So with that being said, let's get into this. Let's talk about it. Let's start with the basics of basics. What is Forex? Forex is a $6.6 trillion market where we retailer traders or just the banks, government trade currency in the market. And we make money from that, whether the market goes up or down. So that's essentially what we do. How we do it on a regular day basis without you knowing it. First off, let me ask this. How many people have been out the country? Drop what I want y'all to drop. A little water drop. Drop a little water drop if you've been out the country. All right, I'm gonna give y'all a second. Let me see what y'all been doing. What's life looking like for y'all right now? Yeah. Yes. All right. I see some water drops. Let's go. All right. Guess what? That's gonna be very important in the near future. So listen. If you're a good listener, above anything else, you will be successful. If you're a good listener, you will be successful. Okay? You have to be coachable and teachable. If you're coachable, teachable, and you're a good listener, you're good to go in this business. All right. So let's get into it. So if you've been out the country, anybody and everybody who knows who ever been out the country, when you travel out the country, you can't use U.S. money out there. You have to exchange for it. So in this case, say you went to Canada, and the lady tells you when you exchange it, it's a 2-to-1 situation. 2-to-1 situation. Okay. So essentially, $2 Canadian versus the $1 US. Say on this trip, you decide, I have $500 to go on this trip. And you'd be like, yo, I got $500. And you just told me it's a 2-to-1. So that means my $500. Let me do the math. Boom, boom, boom. It's $1,000, right? So we essentially, we go on this trip. You go to Canada. You get your money exchanged. I'm sorry, I was just adjusting my computer a little bit just to make sure you guys can see me. And we pretty much do that through our phones. So we go to this trip, we're having fun. You get told, yo, you ain't got to spend no money. Matter of fact, put that money away. Like, what you doing? Say that for later. Like, you need it more than I do kind of situation. Don't spend all your money here. Don't buy a gift for anybody and everybody in your family. I mean, do so if you want, but you don't got to because I'll pay for it. So your friend pays for everything. Your trip is good. You enjoy your vacation. You coming back home. The lady tells you, yo, again, you can't spend our money over there either. So that means you have to exchange it. Now the market is shifted. And now $4 US to the $1 Canadian. And mind you, you have $1,000 in Canadian money. Therefore, your $1,000 is now $2,000. And all you did was take a trip. That's literally what people do. Some people do that because they don't even know about Forex, which is a foreign exchange market, right? Not many people know about foreign exchange market. So how do we get you guys in a position to win now that you know this, that you do this when you travel? All you do is do it through your phone. Drop a one if you want to make some money through your phone. If you've been dreaming, praying for an opportunity where you can make money through your phone, drop some ones. All right. Give y'all a little second. There you go. See. So the fact that you can make money for your phone now in 2019, almost going into 2020, is beyond amazing. So with that being said, since you do that, how can we save you time, energy, and money? How can you save yourself time, energy, and money? Well, you can easily just go trade, go on YouTube, but they're teaching you what they want you to know so you can fail. There are many people who are successful with it. There are many people who just go out and buy courses by real professional traders too. But you're going to spend like $1,500, $700 to start. You don't have to do none of that. Matter of fact, normally with trading, you have to have like at least $10,000 to even get started. In this situation, we put you in a position to win ahead of time and make you money from out the gate for just $200. Right now, all the way up until 2020, is $200 by a school. So what we do, oh, I gotta minimize that. There you go. We put you through a school, right? We got this school. It's named I Am Academy, I Mastery Academy, and it teaches you how to trade. And I know a lot of people who drop a what do I don't know. I just want to do something different every time. Drop a 2 in the chat if you heard of I Am Mastery. Okay, some of you have. So for those ones, you've already heard the pros and cons already. I Am a Mastery is basically a school that teaches you the basics all the way to how to be a professional, how to trade. As long as you're consistent with it, always, as long as you're always putting the work in, then you're going to be successful. And this school, it literally sets you up to do that. So we're going to get into the products of everything, but I'm going to talk about the cost a little bit right quick. It's right now we're running promotional deal for $200. For $200, right? All you're doing is putting $200. Didn't I tell you you need the capital of $10,000 to do this? You're only starting with $200 to get you started into the school. Then there's a monthly fee. That's like your tuition every semester. That's $165 a month, right? And whatever your background come from, whatever you're coming from is very doable. You can make that back and then some if you just plug in and listen. Like I said, good listeners. Oh, I didn't say this. Yeah, I'm gonna say it now. Good listeners, good listeners will be successful. Period. So if you're coachable and you're a good listener, you will be successful. Period. Period. All right. So with that being said, let's get into these products. We're gonna talk about how you can get rid of that $165 a month and kind of go from there. But let's just hop into it. I'm gonna start sharing my screen with you guys. I'm getting text up the wazoo. Hopefully y'all can see me. Right now you guys seeing the music I was playing in the background. It's a great opportunity. Uh-oh, we're gonna play more music. No. There we go. Pause that. All right, we're gonna switch over. All right, so for the fact that I'm recording this and I'm planning to put this on YouTube, I had to disclose some of the information provided. So we're gonna just hop. I'm gonna pull up some examples right quick. Let me see right here. All right, so with the harmonic scanner itself, it's 85% accurate. The harmonic scanner basically gives you copy-paste information. If y'all know how to copy and paste, then y'all can be successful in this market. All you have to do is just plug in, right? So this is, with the SK5, it gives us that extra 5% on top of the 85% for trades being successful. As you can see in this market, this pattern that was forming was giving us an idea of where the market was going to go. So it said it was going to sell off. That's why it's TP1, TP2, TP3. So think about it as make money here, make money here, make money here, right? So as you can see, it hit TP1 and hit TP2. So just so you guys can see that this is an actual product that we use that makes you successful. You don't get this anywhere else. People probably call out signals, and we do that too. So on top of that, so not only do you have a system that can make you successful out the gate on your own, you also will get signals from multimillionaires who have already been in this business for X amount of years, right? So this is this product. The second product that I need to explain to you guys, you got to know the secret sauce about these products because they're going to put you in a position to win. All you got to do is be a good listener and be coachable and plug in, right? So now we have these. Now, I'm pretty sure you're looking at this and you're like, whoa, what is all this? This is our Go Live. This is basically where you learn from multi-million-dollar traders, their strategies, their techniques, their movements, and how they move in the market so you can be successful, all right? Let me hide all of that right there right now. So all you have to do, like I said, is plug in, take notes. I have a notebook full of notes. I take notes all the time, just all the time. Notebook full of notes, okay? All the time. So you just got to plug in, right? So what does that mean for you? When you go to when you join the program, this is how it works. This is how the blueprint works. I'm going to stop sharing my screen for a second so you guys can see my face when I'm telling you. When you plug in, the first objective for us, for me as a mentor to you, or if anybody, whoever you go to, right? Whoever plugged you into this call, you go back to them and you sign up, right? When you sign up, the objective is step one, get you profitable. Get you in that right mind frame, because a lot of times we miss out the fact that this is a changing of your mind. how your mind thinks and operates, right? Literally, from the moment we were born, we were so used to our parents going to get a job to collect a check. You accept the check. And that's literally putting yourself in like a poor mindset because you have to accept a check from another human. In this case, you can get your own check and you don't have to worry about it, right? So we're going to go back. Let me start sharing the screen again. These are very much people who wasted their time, their energy, and their money trying to learn this so you don't have to suffer from the same issue. We do all take L's, you know, it's okay, it's normal, it's natural, but the bottom line here is you can be successful with doing this. These two products alone will make you very profitable as long as you plug in, stay in, et cetera, et cetera. All right, so I'm gonna show you, I'm feeling kind of generous. I'm gonna show you. This trade is very old, for the record. We have motivational calls. We're always getting together. So basically right here, this is a signal. You take this signal right here, plug it in, right? Plug this into your phone, right? Let me show you. I'm gonna show you MetaTrader 4 right quick. I'll lock this phone. Texting, busy. So we plug it in here, right? I can't show y'all that right there. We plug it in this app right here, and then it makes you money, right? Let me actually, if I switch over to a different account, let me see. Let me see. There we go. So I'm gonna try to do this without showing y'all all the information because certain things we just can't show you. Plug it into this app right here, and we kind of go from there, right? So basically, this is how we make money. So we not only do we have this, we also have people teaching us. We also have people have a scanner, an automatic system teaching, sharing money, literally giving you money, putting money on the table and say, here, take it. That you can be successful. Okay, so what's the last thing that everybody talks about and people get nervous about? First off, before I even say it, I'm not even going to linger on it too much. I'm just going to let you guys know it works above anything else. Anything that can help you get towards your dreams and goals and opportunity, it works. That's bottom line, period, point blank. But to waive your 165 fee, if you get 2 or more people, you get the scholarship for free. You get the school for free. It's a scholarship, essentially. It's a referral program, essentially. It's whatever you want to think of it. But the main part of that though, is that you're teaching other people how to quit their jobs. Because we don't know how to, we're never taught. Drop 1 if you've ever been taught how to make money. I'm going to look. I'm going to wait. No. Right. Period. There are a few people because they're, possibly already a part of this opportunity. So basically, you can be successful just by plugging in, using the resources provided, because that's what you're paying for. I literally just showed what you're paying for. And have a good time and enjoy yourself. So again, go back to your mentor, go back to whoever your leader, whoever brought you on to this call. Hopefully that it's successful for you, and hopefully you got a lot of value and knowledge out of it. Again, it's $225, not $225. It's $200 right now, but it's originally $225, $165 a month, and we can kind of go from there. But I hope to talk to you guys later. Hope to see you guys in the family soon, and have a nice evening.